In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your Roblox purchase history. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find a clear list of everything you've bought on Roblox, including Robux, in-game items, and any premium subscription charges along with their dates and amounts. First, head to the Roblox website in your browser and sign in to your account. Make sure you're using the account where the purchases were made. If you manage more than one account, double check the username at the top once you're logged in, so you know you're in the right place. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. Next, open your account settings, look toward the top right corner of the page for the small gear icon. Click that and then choose settings from the menu that appears. This takes you to your account's main settings area where you can manage your profile and, importantly, your billing details. Once you're inside settings, find and click the billing section. This is where Roblox keeps your payment and subscription information. It's also where you'll access the full rundown of your past transactions. Think of it as your central hub for anything related to charges and purchases on your account. Now, on the billing page, click View My Transactions. This opens your purchase history. Give it a moment to load, and you'll see a detailed list of activity tied to your account. Here's what shows up: Robux purchases, which reflect times you bought Robux; in-game purchases like items, game passes, or developer products you picked up while playing; and premium subscription charges if you're a premium member. Each entry includes dates and amounts, so you can quickly match a charge to a specific day. Take a moment to scroll through the list. If you're investigating a particular charge, compare the date and amount shown here with what you see on your payment statement. This page is especially helpful for tracking spending, confirming that a purchase went through, or gathering details if you need to contact support. If you don't see an expected item, make sure you're looking at the correct account and refresh the page to reload the list. That's it. Go to Roblox and sign in, open the gear icon and select settings, click billing, and then choose View My Transactions to see every relevant purchase with clear dates and amounts. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly find what you need in your Roblox purchase history.